Hello.
Hello.
How are you? Please come and join us. Meet my new students who are going to help me.
My name is Bella.
My name is Sam.
Bella and Sam are going to help you as well. Are you looking? Are you listening? Are you thinking? Good. Then let's learn English together. Bella, what are you doing?
I am writing.
Yes, you are writing. Sam, what are you doing?
I am reading.
Yes, you are reading. You are writing. You are reading. Bella, what am I doing?
You are looking.
Yes, I am looking. Sam, what am I doing?
You are speaking.
Yes, I am speaking. You are writing. You are reading. I am looking. I am speaking. Let's do the sentences again. What am I doing?
You are looking.
You are speaking.
Yes, I am looking. I am speaking. What are you doing?
I am writing.
I am reading.
Yes. Now let's look at these sentences. I am looking. I am speaking. You are writing. You are reading. Did you read the sentences with me? Good. Keep looking and listening. This is a man. Bella, what is he doing?
He is running.
Yes, he is running. Sam, what is he doing?
He is sitting.
Yes, he is sitting. Bella, what is he doing?
He is walking.
Yes, he is walking. Sam, what is he doing?
He is standing.
Yes, he is standing. Let's do the sentences again and this time join in with Bella and Sam. What is he doing?
He is running.
He is sitting.
He is walking.
He is standing.
Good. Let's do some more. This is a woman. Bella, what is she doing?
She is walking.
Yes, she is walking. Sam, what is she doing?
She is sleeping.
Yes, she is sleeping. Bella, what is she doing?
She is running.
Yes, she is running. Sam, what is she doing?
She is swimming.
Yes, she is swimming. Let's do the sentences again and this time join in with Bella and Sam. What is she doing?
She is walking.
She is sleeping.
She is running.
She is swimming.
Good. Let's do some more. This is a dog. Bella, what is it doing?
It is running.
Yes, it is running. Sam, what is it doing?
It is jumping.
Yes, it is jumping. Now, this is a cat. Bella, what is it doing?
It is climbing.
Yes, it is climbing. Sam, what is it doing?
It is sleeping.
Yes, it is sleeping. Let's do the sentences again. This time, join in with Bella and Sam. What is it doing?
It is running.
It is jumping.
It is climbing.
It is sleeping.
Well done. Now we are going to do all the sentences with doing words we have learned this lesson. See if you can remember them all and join in with Bella and Sam. What is this man doing?
He is running.
He is sitting.
He is walking.
He is standing.
Now, what is the woman doing?
She is walking.
She is sleeping.
She is running.
She is swimming.
Now, what is the dog doing?
It is running.
It is jumping.
Now, what is the cat doing?
It is climbing.
It is sleeping.
Did you join in? Good. Now it's your turn. We are going to do all these doing word sentences as a little test. When I ask the questions, you give the answers before Bella and Sam. Are you ready? What is he doing?
He is walking.
He is standing.
What is it doing?
It is climbing.
It is sleeping.
What is she doing?
She is running.
She is swimming.
What is it doing?
It is running.
It is jumping.
What is he doing?
He is running.
He is sitting.
What is she doing?
She is walking.
She is sleeping.
How did you get on? Did you manage to get the correct answers? Well done. Now look at your worksheets and don't forget to use your help guide. See if you can get all your answers correct. Good luck. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
See you.